How to make a playlist on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to make a playlist on Spotify, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Spotify application here, and once you launch a Spotify app, make sure to sign in. Tap the Your Library option from the bottom right of the screen here, and once you have done that, tap the plus icon from the top right hand side, and then you'll find the option called playlist. Just tap on playlist here, make sure to give your playlist a name, tap on the create option, and then you'll be able to basically create your playlist. This way you'll be able to make a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.